Join me as I make a crystal grid for the spring equinox. First, I'm starting with a spring altar cloth. This one features lots of spring symbols like a hare, butterflies, eggs, and more. I'm starting by adding a spring-themed goddess to the center of my grid. I'm also adding a small rabbit to symbolize joy and rejuvenation. Now I'm adding a series of 6 clear quartz crystal points in a hexagonal shape around the center of my grid. These are directing energy out into my space. Now I'm putting in 6 colored eggs. These are wooden eggs from the craft store that I've painted in a variety of colors to call in the energies of the spring season. Finally, I'm adding 6 tumbled clear quartz stones at the tips of each of the colored eggs as symbols of wholeness and completion. I hope you'll give this a try using your own spring-themed crystals and objects. Have a blessed spring equinox! And for more great crystal tips about the Wheel of the Year, be sure to head over to my website at loveandlightschool.com.